Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're tracking this tornado warning. Today's the first or the last day of school for me. We're out now. I got a kid 2 in jail. We're out of summer. Now we're in summer break now. But we're watching the tornado warning for 22 more minutes. We're in the kid 2 in jail. And let's put the velocity. Yeah, it'd be right there. It's something maybe right there, not for sure there, but yeah. Wait a minute, I'll show you in a minute something else. I gotta show you something else, not just that. So here could be one. Not as much showing up there. I was watching a few a little bit ago. It looked like maybe down here too. So we're gonna be watching all 3 of these areas. The coefficient, there is nothing showing up right now. No debris or anything, but we'll watch that. So we'll continue to update you on the storm. So I'd watch this very closely here, because there could be these 3 we really gotta watch here in this area. But these storms. Okay. So we're gonna show you the risk in just a minute. Hey guys, I'm back now again. So this is the area I'm concerned for. Can't see you guys are marginal. So, but Minnesota and Enhanced and I don't remember you guys's. I don't remember that state next to Minnesota. I forgot about it. But in the slight risk, Minnesota, Iowa, Illinois, and Missouri are in the site list, and some of Texas and New Mexico in the marginal risk. All those areas. I'm not gonna say all of the areas. Here's the tornado threat. In those areas, maybe a little bit, including Kansas City, but I think you guys are mainly in the all clear right now. The winds not that high, and that there's still a threat. Lows. There's no tornadoes really gonna be that possible today, but I saw that tornado warning I showed you a few minutes ago. There could be some little tornadoes, but usually most of it's gonna not really happen to low. So, and this is the area for hail. So let's head to tomorrow's forecast. It gets calmer as the days go on. This is tomorrow's June 5th, the first day of summer for me, and you can see you guys are almost under marginal, so I'll watch that, but are in that slight risk in those areas, and one of some of the areas that got hit today, like Illinois, not total hit, but I'd watch those areas for tomorrow's risk. And then June 6th, Thursday, you can see this not that high now. A marginal risk in Texas and Louisiana, right? I think, and up there, and I can't remember all the states, but those areas. So we'll continue to update you on these storms next few days. Thank you for watching. Here are the watches. This is where all of them are right now.